Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the factors and multiples. First of all, I will teach you what are multiples. Students, we get the numbers like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. We get all the numbers when we multiply 3 with 1 to 10. Means when we multiply 3 by 1, we will get 3. 3 multiplied by 2 will get 6. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. 3 multiplied by 9, 27. 3 multiplied by 10, 30, and so on. That means the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 are the multiples of 3. Multiple itself shows that a multiple is formed when a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now the another one, here I wrote a table of 2. How we get the table of 2? When we multiply 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 5 we get 10, 2 multiplied by 6 we get 12, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 9, 2 multiplied by 10. A special thing in the multiples of 2 that all the multiples of 2 are even number. All the multiples of 2 are even number. So what are not there in the table? What are not there in the table? 1, 3, 5, 9, 7 and so on. So what are not there in the table of 2? That are called odd numbers. Now here we see that multiple of 3 is formed by multiplying 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we get the multiple of 3. Now what are the properties of multiples? Number 1, keep in mind when a number property is, we have to find the multiple of that given number. Always a number is a multiple of itself. If I have to take the multiple of 4, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Multiple of 5, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Means a first property is a number is a multiple of itself. A number is a multiple of, yes, the another property that a number is a multiple of 1. When we have to find out any number multiples, first of all we have to multiply that number with 1. So you can see here, if you want the multiple of 4, very starting you have to multiply it with 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. Third property of multiple is a multiple of a number is equal or greater than a number. What is mean by this? That I will show you. See, I have written here the multiple of 3. We can see here, when I multiplied 3 with 1, I get 3. It is equal. These are the multiples of 3. Means the first multiple of 3 is equal to the number and rest are greater than the number. Why it is greater than the number? When we multiplied by 3, we can see we are keeping the multiplying 3 with the greater number. So the multiple of a number is equal to 3 or greater than the number or greater than the 3. Now the fourth property of multiples. Now see student here, we can go multiplying 3 by higher and higher number. Now we will get more and more multiples. For example, if we multiply 3 by 1, we have to continue with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and we can continue it with higher and higher numbers. So there is no end. So what is the fourth property? A number has uncountable numbers. There is no largest multiple of a number. There will be no ends, means here we will not get a largest multiple of a number. Now see one example. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pairs of numbers, then list the common multiples. Now we come to know how to find out the multiple. First of all, we have to find out the multiple of 4. After that, multiple of 5. Till first 10 multiples. That means, as we know, a multiple of a number is formed by multiplying a number by 1 to 10. Now, that means this is nothing but the multiplication table of 4. That means 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 3s are 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. And first 10 multiples of 5 means 5 multiplied by 1 to 10. That means 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. These are the first 10 multiples of 4 and 5. Now we have to find out the common multiples in these. Common multiples means the common number which come in both the numbers. That means, what are the common? 20 is common. Then 20, after that which number is common in this? 40. Means the common multiple of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. Next example, again we have to find out the first 10 multiples of 2 and 6. After that we have to list the common multiples of this pair. Now first of all, the 10 multiples of 2 are 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 3, 6, 2 multiplied by 4, 8 multiplied by 5, 10 multiplied by 6, 12. After that 7 multiplied by 8 becomes 16, multiplied by 9 becomes 18, multiplied by 10 becomes 20. These are the first 10 multiples of 2 which we get by multiplying the given number by 1 to 10. After that, in the same way we have to find out the multiplication table of 6. That will be 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 18, 'Yes, these are the multiples of 6. Now we have to find out what are the common numbers which comes in both the multiples of 2 and multiples of 6. Now 2 not there, 4, 6. This 6 is the multiple of 2 and 6 is the multiple of 6. After that 12. 12 is the multiple of 2 and 12 is the multiple of 6 also. After that 14 no, 16 no, 18. Okay, that means 6, 12, 18 are common multiples of 2 and 6. Let's see another example. Now the pair is given 3 and 5. Now we'll write the first 10 multiples of 3 first. That means the multiplication table of 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Next 10 multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Now let's find what are the common multiples. Now here we have to see the common multiples. We can see the 15 is the multiple of 3 and 15 is also the multiple of 5. The another one is there. Yes, 30 is the multiple of 3 and 30 is also the multiple of 5. That means 15 and 30 are common multiples of pair 3 and